Okay, this is the last part, the pronunciation of nasal finals. In Mandarin, a final consists of one or two vowels with a sound and we call them nasal finals. Means you need to use your nose to make a sound. A vowel with we call it front nasal finals. A vowel combined with we call it back nasal finals. So what are they? The front nasal finals, yen, wen, yun, yan, wan, yuan, and the back nasal finals, yang, ong, yang, wang, wong, yong. Those are back nasal finals. It's just like in English, the pronunciation of and these two phonetic symbols. Okay, now let's try to pronounce it one more time. The front nasal finals. Yin, wen, yun, yan, wen, yuan. Next one, the back nasal finals. Yang, ong, yang, wang, wong, yong. Okay, now let's try to combine with the initial. The first one, an, bo, an, ban, mo, an, man, fu, an, fan, ge, an, gan. Next one, en, po, en, pen, mo, en, men, de, en, den, r, en, ren. Next one, in, mo, in, min, me, in, ning, xi, in, xin, qi, in, qin. Okay, next one, wen, yi, wen, yun, ji, wen, jun, qi, wen, chun, xi, wen, xun. Okay, next one, yan, yan, bo, yan, bian, po, yan, pian, le, yan, lian, ke, yan, tian. Okay, next one, wan, de, wan, duan, zi, wan, zuan, ri, wan, ruan. Okay, last one, yuan, ji, yuan, juan, qi, yuan, chuan, xi, yuan, xuan. Okay, those are front nasal finals. Okay, next part is back nasal finals. Boang, bang, fuang, fang, leang, lang, siang, sang. Next one, ziang, zeng, leang, leng, reng, reng, keang, keng. Next one, ying, deing, ding, heing, ting, neing, ning, moying, ming. Okay, next one, ong, dong, dong, nong, nong, suong, song, hong, hong. Okay, next one, yang, neyang, nyang, qiyang, qiang, xiyang, xiang, jiyang, jiang. Okay, next one, zhiwang, zhuang, kewang, kuang, hewang, huang. Okay, the last one, jiyong, zhong, qiyong, chong, xiyong, xiong. Okay, now let's review one more time about the back nasal finals. Yang, ong, yang, wang, yong. So those are nasal sounds. Pay attention, you use your nose to make a sound. Okay, finally it comes to our last part, the unit finals. There are 7 unit finals in Mandarin. It's actually the consonant combined with a vowel, E there. So the first one, zi, z, ci, ci, si, si. This is group 1. This is just like z, c, s. These 3 initials combined with a vowel E, but the E doesn't really have a sound there. Just directly z, c, s sound. Okay, next group, zhi, chi, shi, zhi, zhi, chi, chi, shi, shi. The same theory, you just apply the sound of zhi, chi, shi, these 3 initials. The E sound, we don't really make a sound there. And then the last one, R is the initial R with the final E there. But then again, the E, we don't really make a sound, just R. When you see this kind of combination, you just directly pronounce the initial. That's enough. Okay, read it as a unit. So this is everything about finals. Now, okay, that's everything. I know it is a lot, but I'm sorry we cannot avoid to memorize those kind of pronunciation. But actually for me, if you can speak English, I think you can get everything easily. It's not that much differences between English or Pinyin. It's all related because Pinyin is actually originated from English. So the Pinyin is not really a Chinese thing. It's actually a Western thing. It's alphabet related, right? So if you can speak English, if you use alphabet letters for your language, I think it's not that hard. You can get it. This is the way. This is the only way help you to pronounce Chinese. Okay, that's everything for today. Please subscribe my channel and all the details you can see in my info box. Try to find where you are and what is the planning for my course. So thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.